The word that immediately comes to mind to describe Haney's is great advocate.
Steadfast leadership in very challenging times.
A force to be reckoned with.
They're incredibly engaged, outstanding partners.
When I have problems or questions, I don't think twice about reaching out to someone at Haney's, and usually there's 2 or 3 someones that return that call.
The way they digest the complicated twists and turns that are happening really makes my day-to-day understanding of how I should communicate and how I should advocate for my health system much easier, because I love their Cliff Notes.
The first time I came to a Haney's board meeting was more than 35 years ago. My mentor said, pack your bags, we're going to Albany.
You know, as a youngster, I would sit in the peanut gallery, very impressed by the CEOs that were chairman of the organization. As time went on and I became chair, I guess everybody figures it out and realizes how much help you get from Haney's.
So my journey with Haney's has gone from being a doctor, learning about how to deliver care in a better, more efficient way, to now I really am extremely excited to be on the board of Haney's. What they do resonates even more with me now.
Healthcare is about mission, combined with the notion that you have to do the work of it. And Haney's does both.
Healthcare is changing every day, and what we do is make sure that all the I's are dotted and all the T's are crossed, and that everyone that needs healthcare has access to healthcare.
So being involved with Haney's is extremely important to me. I think it's a really well-run professional organization that I am truly honored to be a part of.
It's the discussion that is afforded when we're in the room with the representatives of Haney's. And it's that ability to really function as a united front.
One of the things that's very special about how the team works is it recognizes that we need to be part of each other to be strong.
They are more than just a resource. They are a partner.
Haney's effectively and fairly brings healthcare leaders together.
It's not just representing safety net or rural hospitals or big academics.
Being from the southern tier, we don't get to mingle very often with the people from Buffalo and north. You know, we think anything north of Westchester County is almost in Canada. So I think it's very important, the collegiality and the camaraderie that comes from these type of events.
Hospitals and health systems are critical to the health and welfare of the communities they serve. They are the very backbone, the foundation of clinical care.
I see in the face of just what seem like ever-increasing challenges, the people who provide healthcare are constantly finding ways to serve patients better.
I didn't realize that until I got involved with the board of how much of an impact we have on the community.
We're able to touch so many lives, from the med-surg standpoint to the behavioral health standpoint to housing. And once you're involved in that, you realize that you change people's lives, not only the lives of the patients, but their lives affect their families.
Haney's has played a critical role in this in its first 100 years, and I would imagine will continue to do so for its next 100 years.
I am incredibly excited to celebrate.
It's a big number.
A full century.
That is quite a milestone.
I wish Haney's nothing but the best.
I'm so excited to celebrate 100 years of Haney's.
And I know that we'll serve another 100 years. I won't, but I know that Haney's organization will.
They are so important, not only to the hospitals, but the healthcare industry and everybody we serve.